Mark Quality utilizes the 3DEXPERIENCE web interface to evaluate designs and review data produced by other team members. The built-in search feature is used to efficiently locate data of interest. Mark uses 3D Play to view various types of data, including 3D models, drawings, and documents. He adjusts his preferences and explores the model. Mark observes the aircraft rotor assembly and proceeds to take a measurement. He believes that this distance is inaccurate and records it, intending to communicate the discrepancy to his team. Mark examines the metadata associated with this product in the database. He posts his findings on a 3D Swim internal community, starting a tracked collaboration process. Mark shares his concern with a colleague responsible for the product via 3DEXPERIENCE comment. Ariana Manager logs into the 3DEXPERIENCE web interface and notices new notifications. She notices that Mark has addressed a comment to her. Ariana examines her notification settings for different 3DEXPERIENCE events. She opts to receive 3D Swim notifications through email as well. Next, she accepts Mark's invitation to collaborate on this topic with the team through 3D Swim. Ariana reviews Mark's post and the shared image of the rotor assembly. She acknowledges a possible issue and involves Sam Engineer for further insight. Sam Engineer logs into the 3DEXPERIENCE web interface and notices new notifications. He clicks the notification and goes to the 3D Swim community to acknowledge Ariana's request. Sam searches the database for the product Mark is concerned about. He opts to use the 3D Navigate web app to further investigate the product model. Sam uses graphical navigation to familiarize himself with related products. He retrieves metadata about the chosen product. Sam can review the history, change objects, and details of the chosen product. He can examine how changes affect other products. This provides Sam with insight into upstream product impacts resulting from changes made at the currently selected level. He reviews the product's revision history. Sam conducts an examination by sectioning the product to reveal additional details. He records additional geometric measurements. .3DEXPERIENCE web apps offer various options for this type of activity. Sam screenshots his initial review. He returns to 3D Swim. Sam shares his screenshot in the discussion. He acknowledges the issue but says a formal change process must be started to fix it. Mark evaluates Sam's response and requests that he draft a formal markup to commence the change process. Sam uses the 3D Markup app to create a traceable object with the elements of the change. A volume query is created using the top half of the electric motor as a reference point. Sam employs a volumic query to identify all components contained within the bounding cube. He saves this query in the markup as a filter for future use by his team. Sam activates the new filter before proceeding. This filtered view is used as the first slide in the markup. He creates a second slide to adjust graphical properties to improve the markup. These modifications are local to the markup and do not affect the actual product data. Sam identifies the base part that will be modified. He subsequently adds annotations and dimensions to complete the markup slide. You can start issues, tasks, and change actions from this markup. Sam generates an issue object from his markup. He prioritizes the issue and examines its attachments and content. Sam transfers ownership of the issue to Ariana and becomes the assignee himself. He makes Mark an informed user so that he stays notified about progress. Sam provides a resolution recommendation and sets a due date for completing the issue. He proceeds to open the issue in the Issue Management web app for a final review. The issue is in a to-do state. Here are the lifecycle stages of an issue. A change action object can be directly created from the issue to address and resolve the outlined problem. Sam provides an update to the team in the RTS project discussion on 3D Swim and includes a direct link to the new issue. The discussion on this issue will continue in the next video session. You are welcome to join us.